Yo, my beautiful, soulful art babes. So, this video, I want to talk about some music because so much of my life revolves around music. Like, literally, as I look up, I'm looking at a poster of my auntie Erica. Like, she's up there. And then I look, 1 o'clock, I got another poster of my auntie that my mom put up here that she got for me when she decorated my room. She she renovated my entire living space because we got the house did, and she knew I was coming back home after college after I graduated, so she hooked it up, and she knows that Erica is my auntie. So, and then I look over 2 o'clock, I see a vision board of mine. Full. Vision boards are wild. Oh my goodness. Did you hear that? Wild. That's not okay. No, it's okay. Anyway. Music. Music, y'all. I make music. But you know who else makes music? My little homies. Like, all of them. We got Soul Sauce. We got Nani. We got Liana. We got Wavelength. We have 6'2". We have Loomer. We're with like the South Bay, Adam S, Ray Khalil. Have you heard Yellow Castle? White Castle. That's hilarious. La la la. La la la. Firefly, come inside, baby. Spread your light tonight in my yellow castle where love is. Firefly, come inside, yeah. Spread your light tonight in my yellow castle where love is. Da 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 da. Woo! That shit is lit. Like, if you haven't heard that song yet, I will post it in the description. That's the song. Okay, that's the song for this video, y'all. Just listen to that video. So we're gonna do a series or something. Like, let's do it. All right. Peace. Much love. Love ya. Love a dub. My little baby. All right, y'all.